little munchkins, how are you today? So today we are going to make block. For that, first we will draw a rectangle. So I'm making a rectangle here. Go slow and steady. After making a rectangle, I am going to put one line between this rectangle. This is in the center of the rectangle and it divides the rectangle into two squares. Then from the center of one square and to the center of second square, I am going to draw the line, and the width of the third block is same as the block we have drawn in rectangle. So now there is a slanting line. Then I am going to draw this line. So basically I am making a cube. This is how you make a cube from a square. Straight line, and there is a slanting line. This will make you a cube. Now this square, I have drawn a slanting line and it makes a cube. It's like there are two blocks, and above the two block there is another block. So this is my block A, this is my block B, and this is my block C. So it looks like that we have joined block B and block C and put block A above B and C. So this is how you make cube from square. Now I want to color these blocks in a wonderful color, so I am using yellow color. Yellow is such a bright color. Now some of you might think how I am going to use the paintbrush. So let me tell you how I am doing this. For this you will need a glass of water, color and paintbrush. So what I have done is, in this water I am going to dip my brush, clean it like this, shaking, and then I will do this. This will help in removing extra water. Then after putting the color on the brush, I am going to use the brush. I will not use water again and again, because otherwise it will make my color very runny, and when your paint get very runny, it will spoil your painting. So you need water only for washing your brush. That will moist your brush, it will make it wet. Now I am again washing my brush in a glass, and I am going to use orange color now. Hey, I love orange color. See, I am washing it like this, and then there's this. So this removes the extra water from the brush. And when I dip my brush in my paint, it will not make my paint runny. So now when do you know when to use the water? So when you are using the brush and the paint and you feel like your brush is getting hard or your movements are getting stuck, as if you cannot move your brush, it's getting hard, that's the time when you need to either dip your brush very slightly, like one drop of water, or you can just wash your brush again. So here I am using green color. Earlier I was using red color, but that doesn't look good, so now I am using the green color. After every color you use, like I have used the orange color, I have washed my brush and then I am using the green color. If you don't wash your brush properly, then this orange color and green color will get mixed and it will make a very weird color. Your color will also get spoiled. So like this I am painting. I don't need more water or paint. So my work is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorial, then please subscribe my channel.